Right now we're staying at this campground that if you see, we're on blocks in the front tires, and I want you to see how high up these steps are. Come on, Miss Belle. Oh, see how far down she has to jump? Well, we've got something that's going to fix that problem. See how we got to step up? All right. So like I said, we've got something. See if Miss Belle can get up in there. Go, Miss Belle. You can do it. You can do it, girl. Go, Bella, go. Go, Bella, go. Go, Bella, go. Good job. We shouldn't have to do that to get into our RV. All right, we're heading down to the office to pick up a package we had delivered. Gotta make some room back there for it. It's pretty big. And yes, it's super cold. It's kind of like 20 degrees this morning with 14 degrees with the wind chill. Warmed up a little bit, but my car says it's 33 degrees right now, so I'm thinking that's kind of cold. What's this?
I got this part, you gotta get the rest.
I probably should have got that one. It's smaller. Yeah, I know, you're like, what is that stuff? I know, we're gonna tell you, just hang in there. It's something that, you know, if you got an RV, even a fifth wheel or a camper, you'll see how important this is when we get it set up. Was it heavy?
The boxes make it awkward. They're a little bit bigger than they need to be, I think.
Guys, first he tells me to stay in the car, then he tells me to get out of the car. All right, so we got to back it up here, so I'm going to show you where we're going. All right, we're going to back it right up here to the front door as much as possible. Probably should stop right there. All right, give me enough room in there. All right, so I'm going to show you guys something real quick. So this isn't always the case, but right now we're staying at this campground that if you see, we're on blocks in the front tires, and I want you to see how high up these steps are. Come on, Miss Belle. Oh, see how far down she has to jump? Well, we've got something that's going to fix that problem. See how we got to step up? All right. So like I said, we've got something. See if Miss Belle can get up in there. Go, Miss Belle. You can do it. You can do it, girl. Go, Bella, go. Go, Bella, go. Go, Bella, go. Good job. We shouldn't have to do that to get into our RV.
Here's our latest purchase. We've seen someone at one of the AIM rallies with one of these. And we stopped and talked to them and got the information from them. And we ordered some. What this is a set of stairs, 5-inch risers. And on the end, that's actually a little platform that's optional, that we went ahead and got that because it gives us a better landing area. So when you open in the door, coming out, bringing groceries in, man, I can't tell you how nice this is. And what the good part of it is, as you might be able to tell, it folds up like an accordion. And it can go right underneath in the bins. The whole thing, the stairs by themselves probably weigh about maybe 40 pounds, and then that little deck don't weigh hardly anything. So, and then you can see it's, it's got 3 sets of legs. They're all adjustable, depends on the terrain where you're at. Right now we're setting pretty high. We're not, this site's not very level, so we're about 3 foot off the ground to the bottom of the door. So you can tell it makes a big difference, because if not, your electric stairs, even with your little portable step on the ground, you still got a big step up. And the good thing about this is, well, my knees are shot. I struggle going up and down stairs. The Marine Corps has got their pound of flesh out of me. But we have an older dog too that her hips aren't exactly working well for her, so it's really made a difference for her getting in and out too. But you know what, I'm telling you guys, this really is a good investment. We can't be more proud of having them. They're really well made. When I called up to order them, the lady on the phone was super nice. We ordered them 1 week, had them delivered the next week, and they actually had to fabricate them. It wasn't like they had them on the shelf. They fabricated them, and a week later they mailed them off, and we had them a few days later. So, I mean, start to finish, I don't know if it was 10 days by me ordering them, paying for them, and them getting here. Good investment, real good investment. All aluminum, so you're not going to get any rust. I might put me some kind of little chain or something right there, because you got that bit of a gap. I don't know if it's going to be an issue, but quality, really good make.
Look at there. Come on, Bella. Bella, come on, baby. Now look how much easier it is for them to come out. There you go.
How easy is that, Belle?
Woohoo! So much better.
That's so much better.
Isn't it though? Go on, get inside. Okay, look in there. What are you doing, Christmas?
There's their phone number, www.rv-co.com. Different applications. Like I said, they have all kind of configurations. Big decks, small decks, none, whatever. I decided I wanted a little bit of a deck, on the end of our stairs. So, sorry, Terry said we decided it. So we decided it. She's like cracking the whip on me, guys. Here you go.